Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my everyday curly hair routine. So I'll be showing you exactly how to get this look right here. And I will include all of my favorite products at the end of this video, so stick around if you want to see those. Hey guys, I just got out of the shower. My hair is soaking wet. I just washed and conditioned it, so it is now ready to be styled. Alright, so what I'm going to use first is this Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. I'm going to go ahead and just take that and spray it all over my head. I really like this product because it makes my hair super soft and it smells amazing as well. So after I've sprayed this all over my head, I'm going to kind of finger comb my hair and then section it into two parts. After I've sectioned out my hair, I'm going to take my Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream and I'm going to get a decent amount on my hands and just finger comb it through the bottom section of my hair. So now I'm going to take down the top section of my hair and take another smaller section and just continue to evenly distribute the Natural Curl Defining Cream through my entire head of hair. So once I feel like my hair is pretty evenly covered in the Eden product, I will then take my Bumble and Bumble Anti-Humidity Gel Oil. It is my absolute favorite product, and then I will just completely cover my whole head in this. This product is slightly expensive, so I don't use too much, but I just make sure that my hair is pretty evenly covered. I really like using the Eden product first because it's super moisturizing, and then when I put the Bumble and Bumble Anti-Humidity Gel over the top, it kind of just seals it in. I also like to take the gel and make sure that I smooth the flyaways out on the top of my head. And so now I'm going to take my Control Glaze Edge Gel. This is also by Eden. I'm going to put a small amount on my finger and just smooth down my baby hairs a little bit. I know some people like to use a toothbrush to make them perfect, but today I'm just going to use my finger. And that is my everyday curl routine. These are the go-to products that I use just about every day. I always let my hair air dry. I found that diffusing my hair just makes it extremely dry and poofy, so I just let it air dry natural and I'm ready for the day. Hey guys, okay, so my hair is in the process of drying. It's been like 35 minutes since I recorded the last part of the video, but I wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite products. Just wanted to clarify that none of these products are sponsored products. These are just products that I love and will always use. So the products that I used in the video earlier are my go-to. They've been the ones that I use for the past like 2 years, I believe. Whether I have a photo shoot I'm going to or like something I need to be dressed up for, these are the ones that I use if I know I want my hair to look a certain way. First, I use this Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It just smells really good, and I don't know, I just like how it makes my hair feel. So I always just, after I get out of the shower, I spray this over my entire head before I put my other products in. Bumble and Bumble in general is kind of expensive, but if you want my honest opinion, I think it's worth it. So yeah, this is a must-have. So the product that I put in my hair first in this video is this Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream. I love how this smells. It's priced reasonably, and you can get it like Walmart, Sally's. I think there's a few other places you can get it, but it's there's a lot in here, which is helpful because I have a ton of hair. But I put this on first, and then I use this other Bumble and Bumble anti-humidity gel oil on top of it. This is like my favorite thing in the world. The only bad thing is there's not that much in here, so you can't use a ton of it. You're gonna be spending a ton. But these two products, this is my go-to. Everybody always asks me, this is what I use on my hair when I want it to look its best. And it's been what I've used for the past 2 years consistently. But I also have a bunch of other products that I really love, so I'm going to share those with you as well. By the way, I'm going to link all of these products in the description box below if you want to order them yourself. The other product that I used today in this video was, it's also by Eden. It's the Control Edge Glaze. I don't use this every day, but if I want my baby hairs to show, that's what I use. My second favorite product line is, it's called True by Made Beautiful. I absolutely love their hair mask. This is it. It's Intense Treatment Mask. I use this like twice a week. It smells like mangoes, and every time I use it, people ask me why does your hair smell so good? That's why. But they also have a hydrating hair butter. There. Hydrating hair butter and a curl defining jelly. And like this, okay, this is the key to curly hair. You have to use like a butter type product like this, or like the Eden product that I use every day, and then a gel based like oil product over the top, which was like my Bumble and Bumble anti-humidity gel. So if you use the cream based product first, it like locks in the moisture, and then using the gel based product over the top of that kind of just like keeps it in place. If I had one curly hair tip to give, that would be it. Another line of products that I'm absolutely in love with are Lust brands. I love these products because the lady who started the company, she wanted to be able to have a product that where you could just have shampoo, conditioner, and one product to put in your hair afterwards, so you don't have to have 20 different products, which is a struggle for most curly haired girls. This stuff actually works really, really well. I don't have the third product because I used it all, but it's a shampoo, conditioner, and then there's three different curl types. I think I'm the second one because I have like looser curls, but there's one for like waves, loose curls, and then kinky curly. But it works really well. It makes my hair, makes it more full, but it works really well, and I like it. It smells good. And LUS, it stands for Love Yourself, so I think that's pretty cool. This, if you don't know what this is, what are you doing with your life? I feel like every curly haired girl knows what this is. It's the 3-Minute Miracle. I use it in my hair just like after I get out, like I wash and condition it and then put it in there like a couple times a week. It just locks in moisture really well. It smells incredible. Highly recommend this. I also use the DevaCurl line. That's actually what I'm using to wash and condition my hair currently. I use the Low Poo shampoo, and then the One Condition conditioner. And notice I have a massive bottle because I have a ton of hair and I run out of conditioner a lot. This is the Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler. This is actually what they used on my hair in my photo shoot that I did. That was on the cover of a magazine, my cover spread. And it worked all day. Like, my hair stayed perfectly fine all day, so it works. Only bad thing is I have to use quite a bit of it because I have so much hair. But it smells really good and it works. This is really good too. It smells good. It's the Mr. Right Dream Curl Refresher. And I use this if I'm not gonna like wash my hair or get it wet at all. I just spray this in there to make it smell good and to add a little moisture. This is also by DevaCurl. It's the Light Defining Gel. I like this because it doesn't add any crunch or anything. It's just, it smells really good, and there's quite a bit in here, so you can use it for a while. DevaCurl is awesome, but it's also slightly expensive. That's the only downside. Like I said, I'll make sure to link all of these products in the description box below. If you have any of your favorite products, comment those below because I'm really interested to see what your guys' favorites are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.